Oil rub bronze hardware has become increasingly popular in recent years, particularly in kitchens. This type of hardware has a unique finish that is achieved by applying a dark patina over a bronze base. The result is an aged, almost vintage appearance that is both elegant and modern. In this article, we will explore the ways in which oil rub bronze hardware can be incorporated into kitchen design, the benefits of choosing this type of hardware, and some tips for maintaining the finish. Oil rub bronze hardware can be used in a variety of design styles, from traditional to modern. It has a timeless quality that can add warmth and depth to any kitchen design. Here are some design choices to consider when using oil rub bronze hardware in kitchens. Oil rub bronze hardware can be paired with traditional cabinetry to create a classic, timeless look. For example, pairing a simple shaker cabinet with a curved oil rubbed bronze pull can create visual interest while maintaining the traditional aesthetic. When used in a rustic kitchen, oil rub bronze hardware can add to the overall charm of the space. Consider pairing it with natural wood elements such as reclaimed wood countertops or a wooden island. Oil rub bronze hardware can also be used in modern kitchen designs. It can add depth and texture to an otherwise sleek and clean design. Mixing metals in kitchen design is a popular trend, and oil rub bronze can be the perfect complement to other metals such as stainless steel or brass. Here are some benefits of oil rub bronze hardware. 1. Oil rub bronze hardware is extremely durable and can last a lifetime with proper care. It can withstand daily wear and tear, including frequent use and exposure to water. 2. Oil rub bronze hardware is easy to clean and requires minimal maintenance. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth to remove any dirt or grime. 3. Oil rub bronze hardware has a unique finish that adds character and depth to any kitchen design. It can complement a variety of color schemes and design styles. 4. Compared to other types of hardware, oil rub bronze is a budget-friendly option that can add significant value to a kitchen design. Lastly, here are some tips for maintaining oil rub bronze hardware. 1. To maintain the finish on oil rub bronze hardware, it is important to clean it regularly with a damp cloth. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or scrubbers as they can damage the finish. 2. Harsh chemicals such as ammonia or bleach can damage the finish on oil rub bronze hardware. Instead, use a non-abrasive cleaner specifically designed for this type of hardware. 3. After cleaning, be sure to dry the hardware thoroughly to prevent water spots and corrosion. And 4. Scratches can mar the finish on oil rub bronze hardware. Avoid using abrasive sponges or scrubbers and be gentle when cleaning. Oil rub bronze hardware is a versatile and durable option for kitchens of all design styles. Its unique finish adds character and depth to any kitchen design, and it is easy to clean and maintain. Whether paired with traditional cabinetry or used in a modern design, oil rub bronze hardware can add significant value to any kitchen renovation project. Be sure to like this video and click to subscribe to see more content.